Hello guys, good afternoon, Today we are on another maintenance one, but this time around it's just a cut and out. No weeding, no nothing, just cutting the lawn and we are out. They don't want anything too special to be done. So here we are, look at that. That's the level we are dealing with. That. So this is a proper before, and I shall be sharing with you the after. So you stay tuned and enjoy.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh, baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, oh, oh,
Right, finally guys, look at that. We are there now. So we have just finished the cutting and trimming along the edges. But this one, remember, I said it was just a simple cut, nothing more, nothing less. So come in, cut the grass, and that's it. So it's done now, properly done. As you can see, starting from this small side, nice and neat. I had to use a strimmer in some of the corners which are a bit tight, but believe me or not, I ended up using two mowers. The small one I had to use around here because the big one, it's a proper pro and it's just too big for this space. So I had to use the Honda Izzy, the small one. But there we are, guys. Look, 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 look. Nice, neat and fresh. And look at the lines. I'm loving this. I'm loving this. So just a quick recap then, just to let you know, for those who are new to this channel, I did a video about what equipment you need to start a garden business. So today, look at that. This is what I ended up using. So I ended up using a mower, at least two of them, the Honda Izzy and the big boy, the Pro, Honda Pro. I had to use the blower as well and the strimmer, and I found a lawn rake here, so I just borrowed. I have all I need in the van, but I just borrowed the one which was nearest. So this is it. This is all I used for this garden. So yeah, we are properly done now. I'm quite happy with this, but there's a lot of moss in this garden. I think it's because of the sunlight not reaching most of the spots. But I think it's an easy one to manage if it's done properly. So this is it. We are here. We are here. Look at that. It's looking lovely. So thank you ever so much again for watching. And I'm encouraging you once again, if you haven't subscribed, please click that button and click the notification one so that you can see all the stuff that we'll be bringing to you. But this is it from me to you for today. A quick one and done. So I will be doing more of these. So stay tuned and always keep looking on this channel. There will be more interesting stuff coming. Thank you ever so much for watching. This is Trev Landscape, and thank you and goodbye.